Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to add a desktop shortcut for a Google Chrome profile on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you use multiple Chrome profiles for different Google accounts, creating a desktop shortcut for each profile can save time. With a profile shortcut, you can open Chrome directly with a specific profile without switching accounts every time. First, open Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Now click on the profile icon that is located on the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select Manage Chrome Profiles option. Now move your cursor over the profile for which you want to create a desktop shortcut. Click on the three dots menu and select here Edit option. Now scroll down to the bottom and here you will find an option that says Create Desktop Shortcut. Turn this one toggle to on. After that you can close this one Google Chrome browser. Now you will see a desktop shortcut of that profile. Whenever you will double click on that profile shortcut, Google Chrome will directly open with that profile. This is very useful if you maintain separate Chrome's profiles for work, personal browsing or multiple Google accounts. That's it. This is how you can add a desktop shortcut for a Google Chrome profile on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the GearUpWindows for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.